Good morning, everyone. Hi, it's me, Jesse, getting started on the third side of this box cabinet. This is so exciting! Isn't this exciting? Yeah. In the last video, which was yesterday, I had to plow snow. This is exciting stuff, I know. And I woke up this morning to at least get started on this project. And it's like I never plowed. There's a couple more inches of snow, so I gotta clear that today or the next day too. It's as good as it gets. This doesn't get any better than that. Heck yeah. I'm piecing in the sheet metal now, and I can't clamp it down, so I got to tack it down because I can't reach a clamp underneath there to clamp it. So we'll just tack it down instead. It's as good, if not better. Heck yeah! Tack it down, heat it up. Alright, we just finished welding this side in. The only difference between this side and the other two sides is I found a piece of channel tubing or C tubing, I don't know what you call it, but anyway, that stuff that we put over here. I found one more piece of it. It just wasn't as thick a gauge of steel. It was pretty thin gauge steel, but it matches. That's all that matters. So we got that welded in, or tacked in, and now I'm going to weld it in permanently from the inside. So far it's coming out pretty good. This is the inside of the cabinet here. This is where the door is going to be, and up top here is where the box is going to be. So I'm going to weld this down, I should say I'm going to weld that side down permanently. have to go up and down weld now, boys. Vertical welds. It's the only way to get it now. That is really good practice, to weld up, to weld down, to weld sideways, crossways, every kind of weld ways you can do. Especially for the ones that aren't going to show, right? Heck yeah! Alright, now we got to put on the bottom. Wipe it down, pretty greasy. We'll weld it and the casters in place all at once, and then we'll take a grinder and smooth everything out. Then we can roll the box around as we need it. The box cabinet. Alright, we got it ready for weld. It's a little thicker gauge metal, so let's turn it up a little bit. Let's turn it up to, what was it? I forgot. Okay, it was 14.7, got 15.9. Yeah. We're down to 15.5. Let's try there. Now I have these casters I'm going to put on there. They're made out of zinc. So each one of these has a load capacity of 250 pounds each. So that's pretty good. So I'll wear a respirator when I weld these on, plus use the fume extractor. You don't want to breathe in this zinc. looking good. Let's roll it over. I think that's all I'm going to do today, which is pretty good for me. Now we can move it around. Okay guys, we got 3 sides and the bottom and some casters on it now. Look at that. Look at that. I could dance with it. I could dance even better if there was some music and a bigger space. Okay, yeah, it's looking good. On the next video, I'm gonna wait for this heater to turn off so I don't have to yell, okay? Hold on. That's better. Now I only got one of the 2 heaters running. Anyway, it's a good feeling to know that we can turn nothing into something. Just take a bunch of scrap metal that was legitimately in the dumpster, getting ready to be thrown out, and we're going to make it into something that's useful and nice, hopefully. Nice and useful. So what I'm going to do is I have all of this sheet metal pieced in on 3 sides. So what I'll probably do before I put the door on it is I'll fill in the box area, including the bottom of the box right on top of this angle iron here. And I'll probably, if I can find some, hopefully put in some angle iron along the edges here, just up to this point, like right up to here, right up to here. And I'll probably put it in before the cabinet, so that the cabinet door, I should say, so that I can piece the cabinet door to match the piece of angle iron I put over the seam here to tidy up the project. But all in all, you know, it's just roughed in now. But we're off and running, guys. And we only used this much diesel fuel today. So we'll shut that off. Now I just gotta find my hat. Hang on. I am really, really excited about the 23rd coming up. Really excited. That's when I'm gonna show you guys the thing I've been teasing for a month or more. Yeah, buddy. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.